Okay, so this is turning into a whole ordeal. Long story short, for my M62, I was wanting to try out this 22 F2 Prime here. And for that, originally I tried the K&F Concept variable ND filter because it was Amazon's choice. I figured, whatever, I'd give it a try. It has green color cast, so I'm sending that back. But before I send it back, I ordered another, because my one original variable ND I have is this Promaster 67mm. I bought it a couple of years ago. Now I bought a 55 because I was going to make like a mirrorless kit, like have its own variable ND aside from my DSLR. And the biggest for most of the lenses is 55. Now when I bought this, I didn't realize that the one I had was the digital HGX, and the one I bought was the standard. This was like 48 bucks. This was like 26 bucks. As we can see on my original one, this one was like 88 bucks. But on my good one here, then it has actual stop and start points. On the K&F, it just spins, and actually, it's kind of disappointing on this one. This one just continuously spins as well. Maybe that's what the standard is. But also, I don't know if this particular filter is messed up or all the Promaster standards are this. So this is got to go back. Then what I'm going to do, I would guess, or I'm guessing what I'm going to do, is actually get the Promaster variable ND filter, the digital HGX version, that's 55mm. So I can actually, because I bought step down rings too for my mirrorless kit that I want to build up. 55 to 49 that I can use on the kit lens here if I need to. Then also a 55 to 43 that I can use on this Prime as well. And I may eventually get the 11 to 22 wide angle lens, which is 55. Then also the 55 to 200, which is 52mm. So at the time, I can just buy a 55 to 52 step down. The Sigma Primes, I believe, are 55 or 52, except for the 116 1.4, which is a 67. So I may still attempt to do a couple of videos with this, but I'm gonna probably send this back and get the HGX version. It's just a mess.